Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simran. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about 5 of my essential products. Like, yes guys, this is going to be only 5 makeup essential products that you actually need when you are doing your makeup. So while talking about my most 5 essential products, I'm gonna give you like 2 options in each category. Guys, this video is going to be very informative, so do watch this video till the end. And also with that, I'm gonna create this makeup look using those 5 products. So you can totally watch this video till the end to find out which are those essential, like most essential product you actually need for your makeup. So I know guys, आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा confusion में आते होंगे while buying your makeup, like ये हम buy करें या फिर ये buy करें, ये makeup चाहिए या फिर ये makeup चाहिए. So I'm here to help you out guys. I'm gonna take you through the 5 essential products, only 5. So yeah, this video is going to be very informative for you, so do watch this video till the end. So with that, let's just get into the video. So guys, first I want to talk about the base makeup products. So the first product is going to be a foundation. So in the makeup, the first essential thing, whether you are doing your light makeup, you can definitely go for the concealer directly. But if you are someone who like to use a foundation or a base kind of a thing, then foundation is great for you, and I'm going to show you 2 recommendations for that. So the first recommendation is going to be on the matte side, and the second one is going to be on the dewy side. As for the matte foundation, I have this with me. So this is called the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 220. This is my exact shade. If you're someone just like my skin tone, you can definitely go for this one. So this is a very nice foundation. This is going to give you a matte effect. So if you have like oily skin, normal to oily skin, you can definitely go for this one. I will not recommend this to dry skin people. You can use it, but this is going to be a matte foundation, so आपके skin को और ज़्यादा ये dry कर देगी. So in that case, I have another foundation with me. I have made a full in-depth video about it on my channel. So if you haven't watched that video, please give it a watch. This is how it looks like. So this is called the Mama Earth Glow Serum Foundation. It's a glowy foundation. If you're someone who just like me, I have oily skin, still I like to apply a glowy foundation. So in that case, you can definitely go for this one. This is a very nice foundation. So this is how it looks like. And my shade is 02 Cream Glow, but I will choose my shade 03 because ये थोड़ा सा light है मेरे skin के लिए. Guys, first I will talk everything about this foundation. So this is called the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 220. It's called the matte and poreless foundation. It will give you like medium to high coverage, and also you can build the coverage. So अगर आपका oily skin है, आपको एक foundation चाहिए जो आपकी skin को matte रखे throughout the day. So this is the foundation you should definitely go for. And in this particular season, you need a matte foundation. And अगर आपका oily skin है, तो आपको पता ही होगा कि आपको कितना problem face करनी पड़ती है अगर आपकी skin sweat करे. So ये foundation लगाने के बाद आपकी makeup टिका रहेगा definitely, because it's a matte foundation. And talking about the prices of this product, the price is 550, but definitely you will get this product under ₹500. So next I have this foundation with me. मैं इसके बारे में already एक video बना चुकी हूँ, definitely आप वो देख सकते हैं. But talking about a little bit about this foundation here, it's a glowy foundation. Guys, अगर आपका skin normal to dry skin है, तो आप definitely ये foundation को use कर सकते हो. मामा अर्थ की वेबसाइट से भी ले सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप Amazon पे नाइका पे ही अवेलेबल है, तो आप definitely वहाँ से भी परचेज कर सकते हो. Guys, this will going to give you a natural finish on your skin. So ये गाइज ये फाउंडेशन आपको लाइट टू मीडियम कवरेज देगी, तो कीप दैट इन माइंड. गाइज, अगर आपको फुल कवरेज वाली फाउंडेशन लगाना पसंद है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन, एंड यू कैन बिल्ड दिस अप. बोथ ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशन इज वेरी गुड एंड इजी टू ब्लेंड. सो अगर आपको हाई कवरेज फाउंडेशन चाहिए, राइट नाउ आई हैव नो ऑप्शन फॉर यू गाइज, बिकॉज आई एम समवन हु इज टू लाइक लाइट टू मीडियम कवरेज फाउंडेशन. सो फॉर मी इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग टू यूज अ मीडियम कवरेज फाउंडेशन और अ लाइट कवरेज फाउंडेशन, सो यू कैन बिल्ड दिस अप. सो दीज आर द 2 रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू गाइज. सो आप कोई एक फाउंडेशन चूज कर सकते हो, एंड उसके साथ मैं आपको अप्लाई करके भी दिखाती हूँ. तो टुडे आई एम गोना यूज दिस फाउंडेशन. दिस इज वेरी गुड एंड आई एम गोना यूज इट. एंड मुझे वो सारे फाउंडेशन पसंद है जिनका लाइक पम्प पैकेजिंग हो के आता है. सो दिस इज द फाउंडेशन दैट आई एम टेकिंग, एंड आई लाइक टू यूज दिस मच क्वांटिटी ऑफ फाउंडेशन. सो इसको मैं ब्लेंड करूंगी अपने पैक के ब्रश से. अबाउट द प्राइस ऑफ दीज 2 प्रोडक्ट्स, so the first one is under ₹200 and the second one is like under ₹500. I think it's cost for ₹395 or something like that, and I will make sure to give the links in my description box below, so you can directly check the links. So these 2 concealers I have with me, and I will highly recommend you guys to buy both of these concealer, whichever you like. So अगर आपको medium to high coverage concealer चाहिए under a very less price range, like under ₹200, you can go for this one, and this is a little bit pricey than this one. Like this will cost for ₹400 maybe. So आप ये definitely buy कर सकते हो. And इन दोनों में से if I have to choose one, I will choose this one for sure, क्योंकि इसमें मैं daily use करती हूँ guys. अगर मैं कभी भी बाहर जाती हूँ तो I like to use this one. These are two concealer which will not gonna crease throughout the day, but you have to make sure that you will apply a good layer of compact powder on top of this. And ये वाला concealer तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं increase करता, and ये वाला थोड़ा सा करता है अगर आप अच्छे से set ना करो तो. But for me it's okay, क्योंकि मैं बहुत अच्छे से अपना like under eyes को and concealer को shade करती हूँ. So these are going to be my 2 recommendation for you guys. If you want to buy good concealer, go for these 2. Can understand the third essential products. It's going to be a compact powder. So these 2 compact powder options that I have, the first one is a compact powder like the basic one, and the second one is a loose powder. So I'm going to talk about this product a bit later, and first let's talk about this one. Guys, if you are following me for a really long time now, you can definitely see how much I love this compact powder. This is called the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and it's a very nice compact powder. And इसको थोड़ा सा मत देखो क्योंकि मिरर टूट गया है. And this is how it looks like. इसके साथ आपको एक स्पंज भी मिलता है. And this is my shade. And in this compact powder, my shade is warm nude, and this is exactly my shade. I like to use this compact powder a lot क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छे से आपके फेस को सेट करता है, and आपको definitely sweaty feeling नहीं आएगी. It's a bit thick क्योंकि लूज पाउडर थोड़ा सा थिन होता है कंपैरेटिव टू कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. Guys, if for someone who want a very affordable compact powder, then this is going to be my recommendation for you guys. And this is very nice. I have talked about this product a lot in my videos, so I don't need to explain about this product too much in today's video. You guys know how much I like this compact powder, and everybody likes this compact powder only. This only cost for ₹180 I guess, and under 200 ये आपको definitely मिल जाएगा. So you can definitely check this out if you want a good compact powder. I'm talking about another option. So I have this with me. This is a loose powder. This is not your basic compact powder. It's a loose powder. So this is the product that I have from K Beauty. It's called the K Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder, and my shade is Banana. So this is the loose powder that I am in love, क्योंकि मैं इसको अभी रेगुलरली यूज़ करती हूँ गाइज. आफ्टर यूजिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस, आई लाइक टू सेट माई फेस यूजिंग दिस सेटिंग पाउडर, क्योंकि इन दिस समर सीजन आई नो यू डोंट वांट टू अप्लाई सो मेनी थिक प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर स्किन. सो इन दैट केस दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. दिस इज अ वेरी लाइट वेटेड लूज पाउडर. इट्स so good that I am in love with this powder, to be very honest. So this is the powder, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा फाइन पार्टिकल्स के साथ आता है, तो आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. सो आप इसको कोई भी ब्यूटी स्पंज के साथ या फिर किसी एप्लीकेटर्स के साथ अप्लाई कर सकते हो. आई लाइक टू यूज़ माई ब्रश फॉर दिस वन. सो मैं अपने ये वाले ब्रश से इसको अप्लाई करती हूँ. सो आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस वन हियर. In the next essential product, you guys must have guessed, I guess, I love to apply blush, you guys know. So the next essential product is going to be a blush. So for blush, I have 2 recommendations again. So these 2 products that I have with me. So the first one is this Wet n Wild blush, and I am in the shade Mellow Wine, I guess. Yes. So the second one is this one. This is the Face Off Lip and Cheek Tint. So अगर आप एक टेंट लेते हैं, that is very beneficial for you guys, क्योंकि आप उसको अपने आई शेडो की तरह भी लगा सकते हैं, अपने लिप्स पे भी लगा सकते हैं एज अ लिपस्टिक, एंड अपने चिक्स पे भी लगा सकते हैं. So for the price range, I'm gonna tell you first, क्योंकि ये वाला आता है 399 रुपीज़ में, and it's expensive, but अभी ये अवेलेबल नहीं है वैसे भी. So in the Face Off, they have another variety of lip tint that is also I like. So this is how it looks like. You can definitely go for that one. I don't have that product right in front of me, so that's why I'm showing you this product, क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा एक फेस टिंट है गाइज. ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है एंड बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी है, एंड इसके बारे में आपको मैं प्रीवियसली बहुत ज़्यादा बोली हूँ आई गेस. सो आप इसको जानते हैं कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है एंड इट्स अंडर ₹400. तो अगर आपको ये वाला चाहिए देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन. इफ़ यू वांट अ पाउडर प्लस, अगर आपको एक टिंट चाहिए जो कि आप मल्टीपर्पज़ के तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हो, this one you can definitely go for. Otherwise you can go for this one. I will insert a picture and I will give all the links in my description box below as well. So I'm gonna take a little bit here first, and I like to apply my blushes over this part, not here. थोड़ा सा मैं nose पे apply करती हूँ. That's it. So next I'm gonna take my blush brush. So this is the pack 245 and I'm gonna blend my blush. On the top of this blush I like to apply this powder blush. आप कोई भी एक भी लगा सकते हो, but in this video I'm gonna show you both of them. So this is how I like to apply my blush. Guys, next the last essential product are going to be my mascara. How can I skip mascara when I'm talking about my makeup essential? Because you guys know how much I like mascara. क्योंकि mascara आपकी eyes को एकदम open कर लेते हैं and you will look more flushed and natural. So for mascara I have these two options with me. This is the first one, the Nykaa Like It Lung mascara, and the next one is this one. This is the Face Soft Fresh and Big mascara. You can choose whichever you like. I personally like both of this mascara. Both of this mascara will give you volume as well as lengthening effect. So in today's video I'm going to use this one first. Like this. Next I'm going to apply a good coat of this mascara. Guys, after applying mascara your eyes will look more opened up. You can clearly see the difference, and this is how the effect of this mascara. That's why I love this mascara. It will look more natural and आप इसको daily uses में भी apply कर सकते हो. It's not so expensive also. It's very affordable, under ₹500. Guys, mascara under ₹500 are really hard to find, but these days I found these two mascara and both of them I really like. This is my final finished look and you can see how my skin is looking after using only these 5 products. I have done this makeup look for you guys and I hope आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा हो and आपको ये वीडियो हेल्प किए हो आपके मेकअप बाय करने के लिए. So if you like this video then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here, and yeah, I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.